let's start with Dubai, which I think is, it's been on everyone's radar for years, and it went through a period between 2017 and probably just last year where people felt the market was oversupplied. And I would argue that it wasn't oversupplied, but it definitely had a lot more competition, which made it harder to open with the kind of eye-popping enrollment numbers that you had seen in 2013 and 14 when new schools had opened. If you look at the super premium segment in Dubai, it's been resilient and it's grown through the pandemic as folks have traded up and flown towards higher quality seats. 88% of the seats are full in the super premium segment today. We think by September this year, we'll probably be at about 95%, and that means the school market of the super premium segment is more or less full. And the KHDA is out and about, and they're looking to recruit schools into Dubai. On the whole, very, very positive regulatory regime. Fee increases are regulated, but there's ways around that. You can set your listed fee or rack rate at a higher level, which will then move in line with inflation and unwind your discounts over time. Abu Dhabi, sort of similar story. Actually, through COVID, the super premium segment declined a bit, but has come back. It's a market that you will need to cater towards locals, the Emiratis more. There's a large portion of them coming into these international schools, wanting that British education. An American curriculum has been a little bit more popular in Abu Dhabi than Dubai, but you do have very strong brands like Cranleigh, who've been very successful. Repton are also in Abu Dhabi. And Nord Anglia, a super premium British school, has been successful and is now building a second campus in Abu Dhabi. From a regulatory standpoint, fee growth increases are controlled, but pretty much everything else is manageable. There are some rules around ownership, around having a local partner with you, and foreign companies can only own 49%, but there are ways of managing that, and there are workarounds to making sure that the economic interests of the school are controlled by your operator, your partner, and yourself. Lots and lots of excitement about Riyadh. Big changes happening there. We're doing a lot of work with the government. There seems to be a big commitment towards international education. The market has been dominated by expats overall, but the local segment is growing very, very strongly as folks seek to move away from the public system into the private system. And again, you've seen some strong growth numbers in that market. The question really is around affordability. So whereas you saw in Dubai and Abu Dhabi, super premium operates at sort of $20,000 and above. It operates at about $10,000 or $12,000. It's quite a small sliver of the market. They want to attract private schools. They want to relax some of the Saudiization norms, and they want to allow foreign ownership and repatriation. All of that is in there. Over time, you will need to not only engage with the Ministry of Investment, MISA, but also the MOE, which is the Ministry of Education, and other entities such as Tatweer, and also the Riyadh Council, who help with allocating land.